I've got a broken air fryer here, and I'm gonna fix it using only a multi-tool. This is 5 uses of a Leatherman. The first use, prying. Prying tools, not to be confused with flathead screwdrivers, are quite a bit thicker. The Free P4's is 3.2mm, and the Victorinox Spirits is 2.8. Having one of these means you won't break a tool that wasn't meant for prying. Use number 2, recessed screws. Most multi-tools have a screwdriver, but can they pass this test? This is my issue with the Leatherman Bit drivers. They don't have any reach. To get to this screw, I'd have to carry an accessory, which kinda defeats the all-in-one idea. This ratchet driver is nice, but good luck finding one. This is why I actually prefer a regular Phillips screwdriver. This driver has no problem, as you'd expect for such a simple task. Let's try the Spirit, and you already know that one's gonna work. Finally, access. Use number 3, sawing plastic. That's right, the wood saw is actually very effective at sawing plastic. This air fryer switch melted, so I'm installing a different kind away from the heat. Next up, number 4, wire stripping. It doesn't take much to strip this wire. The P4 has a sharpened notch for it right here. Just twist and pull. You can also use the wire cutting notch. Speaking of wire cutters, soft wire cutting is number 5 out of 6. We're doing 6 now, and you could even use the scissors. And for the final task, number 6, wire crimping. This one's pretty thick, so I'll have to start it in the pliers. And now it'll fit in the crimper. This one will fit right away. Now I need to ground this wire under that screw. This is one place the flat bit could come in handy. I'm using it to reach into this tight spot. This signal also has a 1/4 inch holder that I initially used to get leverage on the screw. Now that that's ground, the green switch can light up orange. The air fryer is working. For now. Well, there you go, folks. 1 tool, 5 uses. And that's about 1/4 of all the tools in here. Maybe I should make a part 2. See you in the next video.